Hello, we're here today to talk about rain screens. First of all, what is a rain screen? A rain screen essentially is a weather protected wall for the insulated portion of a building with cladding that is spaced out off of the envelope. A wood rain screen is a rain screen system that uses wood cladding on the exterior, like so. A resistive barrier such as this that has built-in dimples or spacers to keep the siding off the wall. And it's very important to keep the siding off the wall because if you put cladding directly onto a building envelope, wood siding especially, the siding will eventually rot. This is a weather-resistive barrier. This repels water from the outside and allows moisture from inside to permeate through. And because there's a space behind there, now the moisture is not trapped. Here's an example of a vertical tongue and groove wood cladding that is spaced slightly off of the exterior wall. The pros of this system is it's very simple. And again, a rain screen isn't a thing. It's not one thing, it's a system. And what makes this a rain screen system is the weather resistive barrier, the spacers that are built in, and the cladding that's on the outside. The downside of a system like this is that it has a very, very small gap to allow moisture to dissipate, and if there's any blockage at the top or the bottom, the moisture will take longer to dissipate, and it does create a small potential for rot. In arid climates, this is perfect, but in more humid or temperate climates, you want a larger gap. Another option is the Climate-Shield wood rain screen system. It requires no furring strips whatsoever, and the 3/4 inch rain screen cavity creates a perfect method for any humidity that passes from inside the building or any moisture that's behind the siding to vacate and ventilate. So the siding installs very quickly in a horizontal installation, and cladding is milled so that it fits beautifully into the rain screen clips. Then the rain screen clips install on top, and 2 screws in the Climate-Shield CS2 system is in place. The Climate-Shield system is very versatile, and you don't have to just install siding horizontally. Vertical siding designs are very popular nowadays, and the Climate-Shield rain screen system can be installed vertically very easily. So the pros of the Climate-Shield system are it allows a highly effective, high-performance rain screen without the use of furring strips. It leaves the ideal 3/4 inch rain screen gap behind the siding, and everything's good. Thank you.